So COVID-19 really cut attendance at churches across Georgia, right? In many cases, they just decided to go virtual. But now one Johns Creek pastor told us his members can have a little more confidence in coming back inside the sanctuary because of new technology being used to clean the air.
For the members of Messiah Johns Creek, worship has looked very different in 2020.
We've had to make a lot of the same adjustments that a lot of churches have made. We've removed chairs from our sanctuary, have multiple services now that we didn't used to have.
Like most churches across Georgia and the country, COVID-19 has caused a big drop in attendance.
Our worship attendance is down to about 50%.
Pastor Harmon Lewis hopes to change that at Messiah by installing this device in their HVAC system. It's called ActivePure technology, an FDA-approved medical-grade air cleaning system.
Our technology basically shoots out these little microscopic molecules that go into the air.
Joe Urso runs the company. He told us the tech comes in 100 different forms and destroys mold, bacteria, and viruses, including the one that causes COVID-19, both in the air and on surfaces. Air moves through what's known as a honeycomb matrix coated with special metals that reflect light.
And when the light is reflected off the metals, it creates these wonderful, basically kill agents that fly through the air safely with people in the room to destroy airborne viruses and things like that.
Urso says business has exploded during the pandemic.
So we're at the Texas State Capitol. We're in hospitals like the Cleveland Clinic.
Pastor Lewis told us while Messiah will continue to follow CDC guidelines like mask wearing and social distancing, he hopes ActivePure technology will make people feel safer coming back to worship.
It's not, going to make coronavirus magically disappear or anything like that, but it's just another step to take to try to get people to feel as comfortable as possible coming back to church.
Reporting in North Fulton County, Dave Huddleston, Channel 2 Action.